from 156NL. In today's episode, I wanted to show you very quickly how easy it is to create a compost tea that's going to make your plant just explode with nutrients so that you have a better yield organically. It's very simple. This is my compost pile. If you've been watching, you know all about my compost. It's very easy. A cup will do you. I'm just using, there's no science here. I am using just a little pot that I had, and this is a 5-gallon bucket. It's already full with water. Don't be afraid to get your hand in there. Move it. And the worst is over. Basically what you're going to do is leave this to ferment overnight. That's it. It's that simple. Now I have a bucket already waiting for me, and I'm going to show you just how quickly I can water my. So on this side of the garden I have my herbs, and I have them these pots semi-submerged, okay? So that if I need to during the frost, I can lift them up and take them to my deck and keep them alive all year round. So here is my compost tea. It's been fermented for 24 hours. Now you could use it right away. You could let it ferment for over 24 hours. The longer it ferments, obviously the more nutrients in it. But just for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and just show you. That's it, guys. It's that simple. You don't need anything more than that. So we took something that is organic material, that is all natural, and we are basically feeding our plants, which will feed us in return. And we don't have to worry about any pesticides or anything foreign actually getting into our food. And that's the point of natural living, right? We want to keep it as simple and clean as possible. You know, when we do gardening, our hands take some abuse, right? Because we're constantly in the soil. So if you want to maintain your hands nice and soft, don't forget to check out the shop. It's 156nl.etsy.com, and we have something called an organic body butter. And that body butter is all you need to maintain your hands feeling hydrated and smooth all gardening season long. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.